Dear student, we will talk about sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Flowering plants are angiospermic plant. Flower is modified in angiospermic plant. It is modified shoot. After maturity, the vegetative buds transformed into reproductive buds and formed flower. A typical flower has many mainly four part: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx, it is mainly green part of flower and consists of many sepals. Corolla, it is colored part of flower and consists of many petals. Androecium, it is male part of flower and consists of many stamen. Stamen is the unit of androecium. Gynoecium, it is female part of flower and consists of one or more than one carpel or pistil. Structure of stamen. Androecium contain stamen which is made by anther, connective and filament. The anther of flower of a swollen part. Most of the anther is bilobed, dithecous and tetrasporangia. Some anther is single-lobed, monothecous and two sporangia, bisporangiate. Anther sac or pollen sac. The outer wall of anther is made of epidermis and endothecium, one or more middle layer and usually a single layered tapetum. Tapetum has sporogenous tissue, highly densely cytoplasmic cell which may be multinucleate. It serves as nutritive tissue for the pollen mother cell or microspore mother cell and formed microspore. Structure of carpel or pistil. Carpel or pistil is unit of gynoecium and consists of following parts: stigma, style and ovary. The upper part of carpel is pollen receptive part called stigma. Median neck-like sterile part is style and swollen part bearing ovule called ovary. Microsporogenesis, formation of microspore or pollen grain inside pollen sac or pollen microsporangia by the meiosis. Microspore mother cell or pollen mother cell called microsporogenesis. After microsporogenesis, four haploid microspore or pollen grain are formed. Structure of pollen grain. The Pollen grain represented the male gametophyte. Pollen grains are generally spherical, measuring about 25 to 50 micron. A pollen grain has two layers: outer thick rough exine and inner thin intine. Exine composed of sporopollenin, a substance which is biological most resistant substances and withstand high temperature and strong acid and alkaline, thus providing the resistance to physical and biological decomposition. Hence, is check the natural decay of pollen grain.